I hope there won't be any problem with the recording, and send all the recordings, including today's and previous classes, everything. Share the recordings, and let's see how did you guys prepare for the reading today. Okay, one by one, which all the pages I had given you as an assignment, I have to come forward and start off reading with a lesser time as my expectations. Okay, speed, pronunciation, and the timing has to be kept in your mind. And I wish you good luck for you to really showcase your talent in the form of reading. Okay, is this clear? Who was the first? I believe everybody is present. Whoever had assigned the assignment then.
Yes, madam.
Who's
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Bhuvneshwari, madam.
Yeah, Bhuvaneshwari, good evening. How are you doing today?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Nikita. Right? Am I right?
Mukta.
Am I talking to Mukta? Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, Mukta, Nikita, so many of you have got the same voice, it seems, huh? Okay, who is the first? Please, I wish.
I will read.
No.
ma'am.
I think the first page is given to Lakshmi, right? Where is Lakshmi? You should read according to the pages allotted for you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Lakshmi. I believe yours is the first page.
Good evening,
128.
ma'am.
168, I think.
168, no, 128, right?
128.
We are
Okay.
still, we hadn't gone to 168 yet in this
128,
book.
ma'am.
136, I have to really concentrate on 136. Very interesting part of reading. Is it a step well? That I'll be covering today.
128, ma'am. 128.
Correct. Please read it. Have you practiced
Ma'am?
at home?
Ma'am, my
Yes, ma'am.
assignment tomorrow I will finish.
You must finish it. It's
Okay,
pending.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
What is your assignment? Can you just recall a bit?
An
About
unusual
Dasara.
Wait. What's your assignment, Rajesh?
About Dasara.
Okay, fine. Signification of the
Dasara.
chanting, the mantras I want. The
Oh,
signification, the importance of those mantra. Why do you chant mantra for 2 times in a day?
Okay, sure.
I want that explanation in English, only in English.
Okay.
I hope it's crystal clear for you, Rajesh. Okay, please go ahead, Lakshmi.
An unusual rain.
Hmm.
Ma'am, near the binding, it is not visible. Near the binding only.
What do you mean by that? You mean to say this page was not visible, which we have shared?
Near
Near the
the
edge,
binding.
ma'am.
Near the edge, near the binding. Near the
I-
binding, it is not visible. The
Okay.
next few
So-
days, I will read. The next few days after the trip to Varada. Next word, what, ma'am? Next word.
Hill.
It is near
Varada
the
hill
binding.
was very hot. Okay, near
No,
the binding,
Varada?
it is not visible. Huh? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, I
ma'am.
am.
Oh, this is really pathetic. Do you have
I will
all
read,
of
ma'am.
you have the same problem? No. Only for her, the first page is not completely visible. Am I right?
For me also, ma'am.
I will read,
So
ma'am. I will read, ma'am.
why did you not mention it this to me? Okay, just wait for a moment. I'll send you because it doesn't look good. I want you to be increasing the speed, pronunciation. I'm expecting so many things to be done. Just give me a moment. I'll share the pic right away. One more time, I'll share.
Line, ma'am. Last word of the line, not visible. Last word of the line.
Wait. I'll send.
Okay, ma'am.
What is your page number, Chinmayi? I don't
Ma'am,
want you to be
134. 134.
134. Okay. Anybody has got any problem like these people are mentioning? Tell me. I'll send the one more time the pic then. So don't give me the reasons. Anybody has got any problems as such? Please be clear. I'm asking the question to you all.
Mine is okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine then.
133, fine, ma'am. No problem.
No problem. Whoever is having it's a clear cut vision of it, no problem. I'm just asking whoever is having the problem. Okay, Rajesh, please send these pics to them,
Okay, ma'am.
which I have sent you on the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait for a second, Lakshmi. Yeah. Has she received? Or you can keep it here itself if it is possible, so that she can read it from here. Do either ways.
So far, I have not received, ma'am.
I think he's going to take a little time to share. Rajesh, is this possible to share it here or what? Or are you sharing it to her WhatsApp?
Already shared, ma'am.
Yeah, he has already shared. Please check into your WhatsApp.
I have received, but it is very blur, ma'am. It is very blur.
Is it
Whole
really?
page is blur. Instead of that, I will read
The
the
earlier
first
one?
one.
Please don't understand. I think I had sent, it is quite visible.
Yes,
to
ma'am.
me.
Little blur, ma'am.
Madam,
You
I will
take,
read, but last
correct,
word.
ma'am.
Okay,
Madam,
read it, Lakshmi. Let it finish. Read it.
I will read last word. I cannot read, ma'am.
Excuse
Last
me,
word.
ma'am.
Yeah,
See, next
yours
few
is
days-
clear? Yeah.
Lakshmi
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
will,
2 minutes,
5
ma'am.
minutes I will come, ma'am.
What is
5
it?
minutes
I will
I will
read,
just
ma'am.
come, ma'am.
What is it?
I will read,
5
ma'am.
minutes you will come, Chinmay.
I am
And then
leaving.
you don't have to tell me. No problem. You can come. Your part is still far away.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
continue, Lakshmi. Continue.
The next few days after the trip to Varada, last word I don't know, were very hot in Somanahalli. Ajja commented. Last word I don't. Commented. This weather is really good for mangoes, but
Such
Last
summer
word.
days.
last word but ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ but
Such summer days.
but such summer days are not going to last long. I am sure it will rain soon. While the rain will settle the
Dust.
dust,
Thulu.
and cool the temperature down. It is not good news for the farmers. Ajji agreed. Yes, I think we finish making puppets before the rain gets here. A few of the women from the village are coming here today, so that we can make the puppets together. Once the sky is overcast, the puppets won't get sun baked properly, and if they are not dry enough, they will develop fungus in the winter. Ajja and Ajji continued their conversation on the weather, but Noni was not really listening. She was. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Still, you have to, improve the speed, pronunciation, lot of the things that you have to do in order to just meet my expectations on my students. Okay. Next, who's there?
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
think.
Good
Yeah.
evening,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Good
This is
evening.
Sunita.
Yeah. She
Ajja
was
and-
thinking.
Yes, ma'am. In the last paragraph, I will take, ma'am. Ajja and Ajji continued their conversation on the weather, but Noni was not really listening. She was thinking about how her parents' conversation seemed to revolve.
Wait. Rajesh, can you mute everybody here? In between, this background noise is disturbing a lot. Except.
Ma'am, you also unmuted, ma'am. Yes. Okay, done.
Continue, Sunita.
Okay, ma'am. Only around how many patients Dad had. or how the bank was changing its system, and staff are the best classes for her to attend. Her parents has deep discussion about her daughter's future school or college and how she could success in uh, uh,
Competitive exams.
competitive exams. Noni signed. It was a really different world out here in the village. Within a few hours, Ajay and the woman were rolling the paper duff in the uh, s- uh, s-
Spacious kitchen.
in the spacious kitchen.
Kitchen.
Amit, Amit Meda and Anand came over to play with Noni, but Ajay had other plan for them. She interested the three of them to take the papas up to the terrace and place them on plastic sheets to allow the sun to bake them. Noni and the other children ran up and down from the terrace to the ground floor with the papas. Amit and Medha stayed back on the terrace with a stick in their hands, ready to scare away the crows if they came to lift or disturb the wet papas. When the women were not looking, Amit Meda and Noni ate the wet papas. To Noni's surprise, they tasted much better than the sun-dried version.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank you. Thank you, Sunita. But half of your conversation has been coming into the lower voice. I don't know. Maybe you have made a little settings changed. I just don't
No,
understand.
ma'am. Today I got cold, ma'am. That's why.
No. I am talking about the way that I am hearing it here. It is very the lower voice. Earlier, first when you started reading, no, the voice was coming perfectly all right. But when you went to this within few hours, that line, I couldn't hear your voice in a louder manner. It was a little lower level. Anyway, there were only hardly some mistakes. Future school, and her parents has a deep conversation. No, had a deep conversation. That was the only mistake I could find in your sentences. Well done.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Who's next?
It's me, ma'am.
Ashok. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Continue. Read it.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. When Medha suggested they ask Aji for some Papa Duff, Noni happily agreed. The children requested Aji, please give us some of the Papa Duff. Aji was reluctant. Children, if we bake the papas and store them properly, they will last us for at least a year. In the rainy and winter season, you can eat fried papas, which will taste excellent with your food. But Noni insisted, in any case, you will fry the papad for us later. Aji, if you give us the duff now, we won't ask you for more. Aji smiled sweetly and gave them a big bowl of duff to eat. Noni fell in love with the papa duff. It was more delicious than both the wet and dried papas. She wanted more, but Aji refused. Too much of anything is bad. She said, you will stop enjoying it as much if you eat a lot of it. The children nodded and ran away to play. By afternoon, dark clouds had gathered in the sky. Immediately, Aji turned
To the woman
to the
and
woman
said,
and said, stop making the papa, and said, yes, ma'am. Stop making the
today
papas.
isn't
Today
the day. She
Isn't
told.
the day, she told Anand and Noni. Once it starts drizzling, go to
Go to
the
the terrace and
and
cover the
cover
papads.
the papads.
Well done, very nice, Shok. I think it was really wonderful. You hadn't made mistakes, but yes, in the last line, so you just felt being stuck there. Otherwise, overall, you had really made an attempt of having the rhythm of reading, but I expect you to be doing more. Okay, I'm a person who is never going to feel
Yes,
satisfied
ma'am.
with the performance of my students because I myself am not satisfied with the performance of what I had got it in the existing level. Because there is always a room for the better improvement, and you have to always challenge yourself to reach to the higher levels of success and sense of fulfillment. So this kind of energy is constantly required for you and me to stay tuned with my dreams. Okay, with our dreams. Sorry. Okay, who's next then? Continue with this here.
Madam, good evening.
Whoever is next. Good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Bhuvneshwari, madam.
Yes, yes. Take it from here. Once it starts.
Ajji told. Yes, madam. She told Ali the start. Continue.
Continue.
Okay, madam. Ajji told Ananda and Noni, once it starts drizzling, go to the terrace and cover the papads with a plastic sheet. If the rain gets worse, then bring the papads inside and spread them on the balcony. Less than 5 minutes later, it started drizzling. Noni and Anand ran to cover the papads, but before they were barely halfway through, hard started pouring down. Ajji shouted out to them from the kitchen below, bring the papads inside. The hailstone will destroy them. By the time children started bringing the papads to safety, half were lost in the rain and the heavy wind. The hailstorm was so strong that Ajji eventually stopped them. Leave the papads, children. Stay inside the building. I don't want to get hit by the hailstones. The stones are as big as lemon and they will hit you hard. We can always make more papads later. Amit, Meda, Anand and Noni left the papads where they were and come inside and stood in the balcony that was attached to the terrace. They could still see the rain and feel the gushing wind. The leaves of the coconut trees looked like they were dancing vigorously, and the garden in front of the house looked like a pond filled with rainwater.
Fantastic. Very fabulous. Very fabulous. I think she's really a good listener. I believe that she has got a good practice, and this because of the practice that she has done, she was able to really place the rhythm, the sentences, and everything is coming with a good, in a very better manner. I can say it's a fabulous attempt. Keep up the spirits high like this to have the energy in your life. Thank you. Who's next?
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
mine, ma'am, Mukta.
Yeah.
Noni was fascinated. She had never seen this kind of storm in Bangalore. She looked up at the scary thunder sky. It was dark even though it was just early evening. Soon, the terrace was covered with ice bars. Noni was tempted to go out and grab some of them. Suddenly, Ajji called out of them, children, come down for some bodas and warm milk. Ajji's food factory is always busy. No need that. She loves cooking and experimenting. She makes varieties of pickles, chutneys, and salads and likes to feed people. When the children came down the stairs, they saw Ajji giving Mahadeva instructions. Close the doors of the cattle shed after checking for leaks and taking care of them. The poor animals, they can't even share their difficulties with us. Hajja, on the other hand, was sitting with two men in the living room. Noni overheard them talking. It does not rain for more than half an hour at a time during this season, but this time the wind speed and air storm has taken me by surprise. I don't think I have ever seen it rain for 2 continuous hours during the summer season. This is so unusual, one of the men commented.
Wonderful, wonderful. It was really very good speed and rhythm and the formation of the sentences. You didn't really skip in any of the sentences except in one thing. Suddenly, Ajji called out to them, not called out of them. See, we call it as a purified listening skills. Whenever you are going to listen and find out the minimal errors also. You know, errors, if I'm going to find out, I'm a good listener. But if I'm only confusion, okay, that what I have to respond after her reading, then I'm not going to be a good listener. So it is a very difficult art of being a good listener and being a good speaker. Everything is being difficult. But by the practice, by the right people around you, by the right mind you have to develop every day, you can really shoot the stars. You can really make a difference to yourself. Thank you.
Mom.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Mom.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Yes. Who's next? I think,
Me, ma'am. Chinmay.
yeah, Chinmay.
You are right. Ajji agreed. This rain will destroy the mango crop and vegetables too. The rain finally stopped after 4 long hours, and everyone left for their homes. Though there were no leaks, Noni could
See, I think I am getting a lot of disturbance. I think children were, shouting and making fun as a background noise. I'm getting it. Can you just change the room, or can you just change the place so that I can hear it properly?
Yes, ma'am. 1
Do
minute,
it.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Shall I continue, ma'am?
Continue. The rain finally stopped from there.
The rain finally stopped after 4 long hours, and everyone left for their homes. Though there were no leaks, Noni could hear the water flowing around the house. She wondered how the Varda river must look. For a minute, she thought about grabbing her bicycle and biking to the river. Ma'am, it's not clear.
But it was already dark and the roads were filled with water. Continue.
Filled with water. She knew that her grandparents could not let her to go. So she went to her grandfather. Ajja, don't you think that we should go and see a river right now? I have never seen what a river looks after a heavy storm, but I have heard that it's amazing. If you really want to see the river, you and your friends can go with Mahadev, said Ajja. Tomorrow there will be a less water on the road, and Mahadeva can drive you all in our pickup truck. If you want to get down at the river and walk in the mud, I will I'll I will tell him to guide all of you carefully. Ajja, however, was not too excited about the plan. She asked Noni, what do you think? Are you going to see there? The river has only water, and I don't want you to get stuck in the mud.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Except in a few places, I think you had read properly. Here, I think where all you had made a mistake is biking to the river. Ours, it is not hers, it is ours. It is silent there. Biking to the river, and it looks like, you didn't say like, okay? It looks after a heavy storm, you said. And that was amazing. And then I think these were the mistakes, minor mistakes you had committed, but no problem. You can really make an improvement on what the version you are now. Okay, thank you. Thank you for all of you. Just give me a moment. I think this fan is making this noise. I'll be just switching off and I'll get back to you just in a second. No. Hello.
Voice is so melodious, ma'am.
Yes, I'll be always singing songs. Maybe it is a God gift. Thank you, Bhuvaneshwariya. Who's that? Sunita.
Sunita.
Yes, yes. I believe that singing and playing the music is just going to make our voice much more better. It will be like It needs a practice. Do you all sing?
No, ma'am.
We are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
crazy like you, madam. Huh? You know, I think I have already sung a song in front of you, right? In the earlier classes. Had I not sung one time? No?
Okay, okay.
Yes, right? I had already sung in the class, I believe. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I'm also sing a song when I riding the bike.
I
Old
was
songs, ma'am. Like
also. Okay, okay. I was also singing songs while riding a bike. Okay. Yes, yes. You think singing and dancing cultural activities will also be good in keeping our mind calm or having a good health in your life. That's good. Keep it up. Okay. So the most interesting
thank you.
part which you are going to do is today, is it a step well? So all of the stories which is going to relate Noni's adventurous thinking plus Ajji's stories, and we had learnt about a cattle, like a cow's delivery, and we had learnt about a garden, we had learnt about flowers, plants, and also how village people are going to enjoy preparing heaps of laddus and lot of foods, and they are very service oriented people. We had learned all of these things. I don't know why it is this. I have a very good connection. Maybe something wrong with the connection. I don't know. It's. Don't you think it is being just like this, like this? It is pausing in between like this. If I have a great observation through the listening, through the seeing. I feel like it is being just like giving a pause here, little bit. Maybe because of the see this. See, can you observe that?
Yes, madam.
Correct? No.
Yes, madam.
Some connectivity problem is there. I have, you know, it is shining out nicely. Only the this it's blinking good. Okay, is it a step well? The next day, the weather was cool, but dark clouds lingered in the sky. Noni told her grandparents, "I'm getting bored at home. I have asked Medha, Amit, Anand to join me. We are all going to see the Varada River. Aji, please pack a lunch for all of us. I'll help you. We are going to hike today. Since the roads are not good for cycling after the rain, after our walk, we will go to the farm to play, and I'll come back in the evening." So very simple thought she has got. See, the clouds lingered, the aroma lingered in the room. Means it is having that ಸುಹಾಸನೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Clouds lingered in the sky ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ clouds. Okay. And Noni told grandparents ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. She would like to really go to Varada river, and every time she is being very adventurous, and she is asking Ajji to pack the lunch, and she even says that we are not going to hike today. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಾಲೆ ಏನ್ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we are just going to walk. We are going to walk and we'll come back in the evening ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Ajji was not happy about this development. She said, "Why do you have to go to the river? It may not be the best thing to do right now. It can be dangerous. I know that Mahadeva is with you, but still, can't you sit and read or call your friends home and play here? Why do you always like to go here and there? ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀಯಾ? Why don't you really call up your friends, read and learn the things doing here only? Why you want to be adventurous all the time? This kind of development would not be liked by Ajji. So what we call it as a development means she has improved, she has become fearless, but Ajji didn't like being adventurous all the time. She wants her to spend little time at home. But Ajja was always encouraged Noni to explore the outdoors. He said to his wife, "Let her go out. She doesn't have this freedom in Bangalore. You know, children have much more energy than us. Pack some samosas, sandwiches, and biscuits for the kids. Noni, don't forget to fill all your water bottles. Many people will come to see the river today. It will be beautiful, but you mustn't swim or get into the water. You can stand at a mandap to get a good view of the river, and I'll tell Mahadeva to make sure that you follow my instructions. See, I think we had seen that men would be encouraging, the girls and their children to have outdoor experiences, mix and mingle with people, get the freedom, and this kind of flexibility. This kind of freedom is not visible in Bangalore. So children will be having lot of energy. They have to use it, and then they can grow healthily. So if you use your energy, then you can, have a good health. So that's the reason Aja is suggesting let her go, let her take an experience like that. Okay. So even he mentioned that today many people will come to visit the river and it will be really beautiful, but you shouldn't have to swim. You shouldn't have to invite problems. Okay. You shouldn't have to get into the water. You're going to watch the mandap or that good view at a distance. You maintain that distance. Don't get close to the river. He's going to caution her. He's going to warn her. Okay. And he sends even one person who is going to look after these kids, because there is a saying, never send your children out into the fire, into the river, into the dangerous things by themselves. You have to have a backup wherein they are going to caution them, give them instructions not to get into the problems. I hope it's clear for you, right? Everything I'm doing it in English today. I hope you tolerate it. Anyway, by listening to the explanation, you will also have good vocabularies, the range of the vocabularies. You will have a confidence. So look at madam, she is explaining each and everything with a variety of the options right on the moment. Then you will have a lot of ideas to talk to me. Correct? So that I'm preparing for all of you to go to the next level with me for the third level. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to do here. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Noni went to the room to get her backpack. She checked her emergency kit. It had her cell phone, a torch, a folding stick, binoculars, a matchbox, a candle, a hat, an umbrella, a notepad and a pen, a small towel, wet wipes, and a small first aid kit given by her father. She always carried the kit whenever she had an outdoor activity planned. Sometimes her friends made fun of her, but she didn't care. She knew it was important to carry it. Aji told Madeva, you must be careful and take care of the kids. I'm going to the temple for puja today. We'll come back only in the evening. Bring the children home whenever they get bored. So it is a very simple thing. Noni has got a countless items in her backpack. Backpack andre? Where you are going to hold it on your back. Okay, some people will say sack. Okay, backpack. She was having all the essential items available in her bag. Torch ide, stick ide, umbrella, notepad, so many things. Okay, she always carried this. She didn't mind whether people are going to laugh at me, but she thought it is important to carry, so she was carrying it. And Aji told Madeva, see, you should be taking care of these kids, okay? And Aji was going to temple and she'll be coming back. And she even told if children are getting bored in this kind of places, then make them to come back home, okay? Here, take this lunch basket. It is for all of you. I'm also going to the farm to take stock of a havoc created by the rain and wind. See, right. See here, havoc andre enu. Suppose if the person is not in the in his mind and he is creating some mischievous, okay, ಒಂಥರ ಗದ್ಲೆ ಎಬ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇವೋಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, it's a havoc. This lady is always good at creating a havoc with her unworthy words or uneasy words. ಇವಳು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಗದ್ಲೆ ಹಬ್ಬಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. Havoc is a kind of mess. Okay, see, I'm going to the farm. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಜ್ಜ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಈಚಿ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. Havoc, mess agide. And I will be needing a time to clean this stuff, and I'll make it get things in order. Organize ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ time ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I'll be coming in the evening. Ajja added. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನಾನು evening ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Ajja also is going to inform he is also going to come in the evening time. Ajji warned Mahadeva. Noni is adventurous, wants to explore everything. She doesn't know the dangers of the terrain. Andre male. You would better take care of her. If she gets hurt, I'll hold you responsible. Suppose I had a responsibility for taking care of my son. Definitely, as a mother, I have it. And if something goes wrong with Aditya, I'll be held responsible. Or if Aditya's, friend comes and if they are not being able to take care of each other, then I'll hold his friend responsible for what happened to my son. I'll hold you responsible ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Okay, ನೀನೇ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. I'll hold you for responsible. I'll hold you're responsible or you are responsible. You can use either of these things. Soon Noni and Mahadeva left the house to meet Amit, Medha and Anand. Noni didn't understand Ajji's concern. Why was Ajji getting so worried? Yake eshtu chinte ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? Why was Ajji getting so worried? She didn't understand Ajji's concern. By the time Mahadeva and Noni reached the meeting point, the other children were already waiting for them. When they had reached, other children were already there and they were waiting for these people. Amit was holding a catapult. Catapult andre patragiti. While Medha was carrying a backpack with paper and colored pencils. Medha was always fond of doing the sketches of nature, knitting. Okay, she's very active. She loved sketching, as I told you, and painting. Anand carried a few small mats and a book in his backpack. Okay, Anand mat ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ books ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. So, where are we going today? Asked Medha. We are going to the riverbed, replied Mahadeva. The road from the village to the riverbed is bad, so we can get stuck on the way. So let's go through the forest. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಳಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ರಿವರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ. So they are going to go. Give me a second here. They are going to go through the forest. You will be having a lot of experience and it will be very interesting. Don't skip any of the further classes because I am going to read through little fast and I'll be really making the connections. We are on the 139 page now. So I have to complete this 200 pages by the end of this course. And I have got the great responsibility and making you to understand. Just don't understand these messages keeps on popping here sometimes. Okay, it will be a long interesting walk. Okay, I'm sure you'll find a lot of mangoes, local berries, strawberry, okay, blueberries, strawberry, andre like sanna sanna idu, okay, barikai tara, okay, atara, like amla, plenty of jamun on the ground. Kala jamun, you could have tasted it, a black color, it will be there, very nice. It is good for diabetic patients and they have to really eat it. Neela jamun, kala jamun, okay, they are safe to eat. I bet you will see deer too. ನೀವು ಚಿಗರೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, here seeing a deer is almost as common as seeing a dog in the village streets. Seeing a deer is as common as seeing the dogs in the village street. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಜಿಂಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ. Noni's daring spirit burst forth and she said excitedly, let's do that. Can you just keep others mute? There's something disturbances there. Okay, let's do that. It will be an adventure. Medha said, yes, I agree. On the way we can stop to draw pictures of the deer, trees and the forest. ಇವಳು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೋನಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್, ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು some people are going to think about the food, some people are going to think about drawing, and many people are going to think about being with the nature. So what is your choice when you are going on such an adventurous trip, like walking into the forest? Are you really scared of a tiger or a snakes or some wild animals? So based on your mindset, you will be experiencing that energy. Okay, here and I can use my catapult. That way I'll get the unspoiled mangoes hanging on the trees. Unspoiled mangoes ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಅನ್ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೆಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಗಳನ್ನ ಅವಳು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾಳಂತೆ. You all can take whatever you find on the ground. Trees are mine. Nodi, Amit is interested in talking to trees. So he says, trees are mine. Anand said, anything is fine with me. Nangenadru okay. You know, how do you say? Anything is fine with me, right? Suppose you go to the friend's home and she asks, would you like to have tea or coffee? Anything is fine with me. Come on then, said Mahadeva and took the lead. Took the lead means initiative. He walked in front of the group with Noni second and the others right behind her. Though Noni had gone on some adventures and hikes before this, okay, this was little different. Idu onthura bere thara noge experience. The forest itself wasn't very thick and there were many native trees, bushes, local mango trees, which was different from the usual hybrid variety. Okay, a few mangoes were lying on the ground and Mahadeva picked up one. This is a forest mango, he said. How do you know? Asked Noni. Forest mangoes are the fruits of the native mango trees here. Nobody plants or waters or grafts them. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ artificial ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, because they can make an estimation. If you are putting a pesticides and you are going growing this kind of trees or the plants, you will have a different looks on that. So he can understand. Mahadeva is well known to these kind of aspects. Onge idu kuda gottu. There is no manure or a gardener to look after them either. They are small in size and have big seeds and a sour taste. ಅವನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಅದ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಜವಾರಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಜವಾರಿ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ we are not going to put any pesticides or make it to look bigger. Here in Bangalore and all, you see palak will be grown this much size, okay, mente will be this much size. What is it indicating? To make it to become heavy weight in the grams, people are using even animal genes to make it to grow in a bigger manner, and they'll earn money because the weight is there. But the real nati, okay, the original one will not be growing in this bigger size. It will be small, okay, seed will be bigger inside. So this he is going to teach all of you, and all it he is teaching me as well. The birds and the monkeys in the forest usually eat these mangoes. Noni picked up another mango from the ground, wiped it with a wet wipe and took a bite. Taste not try. It was extremely sour, tumba huli. Almost instantly she remembered her father's advice, don't eat any fruits or vegetables without washing them first. She consoled herself. Samadhana. Consoled yourself andre nimma neeve samadhana ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, by thinking that heavy rain must have washed the mango. Okay, ಅವಳು ತಂತಾನೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ, even though it was sore. They walked a little further and Mahadeva saw a plant with a tiny, delicate, pinkish flowers in their path. Before he could warn Noni, he stepped on it. Okay, sorry, she stepped on it. Suddenly the leaves of the plant shrank. ಹೀಗ್ ಮುದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತದು ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮುರಕಿ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮುರಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ನೋಡಿ, ವೆನ್ ಶಿ touched that plant curiously, that leaves of the plant shrink and folded. ಈಗ ಮುದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. She was surprised. She touched the plant and same thing again happened. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ತರ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. What is this? She asked. This plant is called the shy princess of the forest. Shy princess of the forest. English ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ if they have told in Kannada. Said Medha, who was right behind her. ಅವಳು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. I have seen many plants in school. Added Anand. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The biological name for the plant is Mimosa pudica. Biological name ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹೆಸರು Mimosa pudica, sorry. And my botany teacher said so. Avulu botany teacher ee tara helida. But in English it is popularly known as touch me not. Okay, and we call it is Muttilla Muraki. Muttilla Muraki in Kannada, said Mahadeva. Muttilla Muraki. Okay, it means don't touch me, right? Yes, adu ಒಂದು proverb ಇದೆ, ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮುನಿ. Okay, nari something ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ proverb. Okay, will they remain like this forever? Noni was curious. Ide ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ? No, the leaves will open again after some time. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ blossom ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Noni found its pink colors were so attractive that she touched it again and again. But because of her haste, a thorn pricked her. ಮುಳ್ಳು ಚುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Pricked, thorn pricked you. Pricked, Pricked. Thrown, pricked ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಚುಚ್ಚಿತು. Noni, Mahadev almost shouted, don't touch any plants in the forest without knowing what they are. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. Don't do anything without knowing what they are. If you touch some plants, you may feel itchy. Itchy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುರ್ಸೋದು. You know, in this winter season, so many people will have an irritation about body itching because the climate is very cold, like there is no sun. Okay, so it is itchy, tursod. Afterwards, other plants may ooze a stitchy white gum on your hand. Onthara antante eno bandbidutte adra odkade. Be careful. Noni nodded and the group continued walking. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. See, all of you should get into that forest, become Noni, Amit and Medha, then you will have lot of interest. But if you are ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು, okay, what we should be doing with all these stories? With all these stories, you are going to discover the child within you. You are going to go into that Noni's heart and Medha's hearts and experience the forest by listening to me. This is what you have to do. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ? ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, getting an experience through the words, and then words will start dancing inside your heart. Okay, right. See, Noni, after a distance, Noni stopped and sniffed. See, there was a beautiful aroma in there. Sugandha, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ಸುಗಂಧ ಇದೆ. She asked, what is this fragrance? I had never smelled it before. ಈ ತರ ಎಂದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ನಾನು ಈ ತರದ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. Megha giggled. Megha nagtale. Hey, they were passing under the bakula tree. Noni, she said, pointing to the tree. This is bakula tree, and flowers are considered divine. Ishtu gottille ninge anta nagbidtale Medha. Okay, the flowers isn't very attractive alla, but fragrance is to die for. Heavenly fragrance it is. Okay, even its dried flowers give the same smell. ಒಣಗದ ಮೇಲೂ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Even its dried flower give the same smell ante. If you go to Ajji's cupboard, you will always see a string of dried bakula flowers in there. Here in village, women will keep bakula flowers in their saris. Okay, ಸಾರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. Some will even keep in their books ante. Okay, to get the wonderful smell, and it is going to help ward off insects. Okay, insects ಬರ್ದಿರೋಂಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂತೆ ಈ flowers. Noni felt humbled. Noni felt she knew very little compared to these village kids, Amit and Anand, about nature and their mysteries. The children continued on their way. The terrain was definitely better than taking the main road. Though there was a little mud, there was enough stones for them to jump. Okay, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ಗಳಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. Look at that, exclaimed Mahadeva. Shh, don't talk ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Mahadeva ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. Okay, right, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. Okay, right. The children saw two birds chirping away. Chirping away ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಪಿಸುಗುಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. A minute later, they were sharing the same guava. Guava andre perukai. What a tasty fruit, I think. Guava is a wonderful fruit. It is the king of the fruits. Mango is also king of the fruits, but guava is having lot of antioxidant properties. Wonderful fruit. Okay, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಗೋವಾ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಗಡಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಜ್ವರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಹಣ್ಣಿಂದು ಏನು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But the condition is that you have to consume the fruits only on an empty stomach to get the benefits out of it. Remember it. Remember. Okay. Next, ಏನು ಎರಡು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಗೋವಾನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವು. ನೋನಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸೋ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಏಯ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಏಯ್, ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಇನಫ್. ಹರ್ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೂ ಅವೇ. ಅವಳು ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಏಯ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಹ್ಯಾವೆಂಟ್ ಯು ರೆಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈನಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನಂದ್. Oh no, said they they flew off. Suddenly Noni became very angry. That they know so many things. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಂಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. See, myna birds are also known as lover birds anta. Okay, and if one dies, the other one also dies ante. I don't know whether it is really true. So they are called as lovebirds, lover birds anta. Myna birds are also called as lover birds anta. If one dies, other also dies. They are said to be for life. Okay. If you see myna bird in the morning, people say that the day will be lucky for you. ನೀವು ಮೈನಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ it is lucky for you. After that, no one spoke for a long time. Adadmele ee incident admele, they were just the sounds of the forest. See, sometimes just see the silence here. What a silence. Do you have the silence in the mind? Invite the silence in the mind by inviting the Lord inside of you, by inviting the knowledge, by inviting the devotion, the bhakti, the knowledge, the ability to learn. Then you experience the silence. Otherwise, your mind keeps on chatting like this. So stop it. Okay. Here, the silence in the mind is everything. If I am not having the silence in the mind, if the things are running, what is my son doing? How is this Dasra festival I'm going to operate? What am I going to do after this class? Should I have to be preparing? No, nothing. Just be here like this. Be right here. Okay. There were only just the sound of the forest along with the sound of the quiet footsteps. Hedje soundu matte forest soundu. Look at that, whispered Mahadeva, pointed to a bird, a big bird sitting all alone on the top of the tree. Onde kutkonide ante. Hey, that is a Ratna Pakshi. You know, Ratna Pakshi nodidara, a wonderful bird. It will look very nice in the looks wise. Said Amit. Hey, how do you know everything, huh? Noni gets very irritating. How do you guys know everything, huh? I have seen them, Amit ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, I have seen them in my backyard in Delhi. We live in the cantonment area where there are a lot of trees and birds. My mother says if you see a Ratna Pakshi, you will definitely eat some dessert that day. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿಹಿಯನ್ನ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಅವತ್ತು ಈ ರಕ್ತ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. Suddenly the children stumbled onto a group of the deer who vanished the moment they heard. ಟಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಟಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಓಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಥಿನ್ ಏರ್. ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಥಿನ್ ಏರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಗಾಳಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗ ಹಾರೋದು ಆ ತರ. ಯಾಕೆ Noni was very sad. I wish I could have seen them properly. Okay, Noni ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ. Don't worry, Noni, you will see a lot of them. This is not the end of our journey. Deers are very sensitive animals. They run very fast. If they see people, they'll immediately run. If you move quietly, you will eventually see more deers. All of you should be quiet. You will eventually experience the real treasure inside of your heart. It is to support you. It is to coach you. It is to guide you. If the silence is there, then it will come and it will whisper. God will whisper inside of your heart if you maintain the silence. Got it? Maintain the silence here. There is a variety of deer here in the forest. Some are dotted and some are having beautiful antlers. Antlers andre like idu kodu. And they are vegetarians, said Anand kindly. Do the deer come into village? Rarely, but I have seen them in our school during summer. They usually come to eat vegetables from the kitchen garden in school, said ಆನಂದ್ ಅವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ. They will come to eat the vegetables. Does the school management get upset when they eat your vegetables? School management ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ? Does the school management gets upset if they eat the vegetables? Ask Noni. No, 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 Noni. Nobody stops them. My grandfather says the land belongs to the deer too. ನಾಯಿಗೂ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೈಗರ್ಗೂ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಗುಬ್ಬಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. They are also here having the equal rights as we are. But human beings are selfish and they say that, oh, this is not that, this is not that. It's a mind is selfish. It's the human beings say ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So we should let them eat whatever they want. ನಾವು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ತಿಂತವೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ. A few students have built a small pond. ಕೆರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ for the deer to drink clean water. In fact, we have also dug a small pit channel ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Okay, put salt in it. Why would you do that? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Don't you know, Noni, deer love salt. So they come to lick the salty mud. Salt ಮತ್ತೆ mud best combination. Deer ಗಳು ತಿಂತಾವಂತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, anytime if the deer comes to your eyes, give them a salt with a mud. So they'll remember you then. Okay, so as they walked further, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, Noni noticed a strangely green creeper, ಬಳ್ಳಿ. Creeper ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ. Ahead of them. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು. Mahadeva stopped near it, showed the group the chiguru or the front portion of the wine. Wine ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ವೈನ್. Okay, ಬಳ್ಳಿ. He cut it with a knife and offered little bit to all of the children. Hastily, Noni bit it into that and exclaimed, "Oh, it is sour but very yummy." You know, ಚಿಗುರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, I think pregnant women will eat that. They like it very much. Everyone was blank. ನಿಶ್ಶಬ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Just the way that you guys are being now. Completely blank, completely empty. Listening to me makes you to feel empty inside, but it will help you to discover a joy of learning inside. I hope you are all enjoying the lesson as much as I am doing and making you to dive into the lesson there. Am I doing the good job? Yes, Rajesh, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Rajesh ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲ ma'am.
Yeah?
You are doing the excellent job, ma'am, for us.
Oh, thank you, Ashok. How about Rajesh? Is Rajesh there, or has he left the conversation?
No, ma'am. I am here, ma'am.
All of you are getting the ideas, no? Okay, thank you. All of you are getting ideas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Since I'm not asking so many questions, I'll be asking you questions. I'll be giving you the assignment also. I'll send the assignment to Rajesh, okay? And he will share with you, all of you, after the class. What is your assignment? Whom I am allotting the assignment? The assignment is kept a surprise today. Tomorrow, whom I am picking. Got it? Okay, I hope all of you got it. Maybe this is the forest creeper without a name, said Medha. I have never seen it anywhere, added Amit. ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Anand asked, I have never noticed this creeper even though I have come to forest many times. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಬಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. Is it a special plant? Yes, it is a special, exclaimed Mahadeva. This is the creeper that gives a shikakai fruit. See, I think if you want to know the secret of the long hair that the village ladies, village girls and ladies have, they use shikakai. They don't use more shampoos like us. Okay. Shikakai, asked Amit and Noni in unison. Unison andre ibru ottige koori. Yes, when you dry and powder shikakai, it can be used as a shampoo. Even Aji uses shikakai powder to wash her hair. In the olden days, you didn't get shampoos in the market. So this was used as a natural shampoo. Nice. It is excellent for the hairs. Sometimes people use the fruit to make soaps also. Noni said, yes, Ajja had a box of shikakai powder in the bathroom and Aji had a box of shikakai powder in the bathroom. She washed my hair with it a few days ago and it made my hair really silky and nice smelling. Okay, even indoor Ajji uses the orange colored bar of shikakai soap. So she's going to really, give a lot of education about how these natural things could be used for making us to feel nicer about our skin, about our hair, and about everything that we wanted to be really having the nice things in our life. Okay, let's talk with you some more. Like I'll be talking to some students now. Sunita, how is your day? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you like this class today?
It's nice, ma'am. Story was very good, ma'am. My doubt is why the Sudhamurti taking in Ajja and Ajji, not grandmother at grandfather. That is the doubt for me, ma'am.
No. See, Sudhamurti, actually, she's going to really take some of the words to give that affectionate feelings in Kannada only. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. There are some words in our life where we can't use it like ಅಜ್ಜ. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಮದರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನೇನೆ ಯಾವಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ಅಂತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಮದರ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. It's true, right? In our case. So Sudhamurti is also having an intention of bringing that affectionate, that emotional feelings with the wordings that she is going to give. That's the reason Ajja and Ajji is being given, not grandmother and grandfather. Got it? Okay, you asked a very good question. I think you got the answer for it. Okay, so let's continue here. What's great about Creeper? Asked Anand, interrupting Noni. Idra ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ great? Pregnant deer love to eat chiguru because it contains natural iron and many vitamins which are needed for unborn babies. Pregnant woman ಈ ಚಿಗುರು ಇದು ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಲಿರೋ ಕೂಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಚಿಗುರು, ಈ ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಸಿ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ, ರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ವುಮನ್ಸ್. ನೀವ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರ ಬಾಯಿ ಚಪ್ಪಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಅಂತ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆ ತರ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ದೇವ್ರು. Okay, so for everything there is a reason, there is a scientific reason behind it, but we are not evaluating this deep. Ishtondu deep now will think ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, animals don't talk but they are very intelligent, aren't they? Can we eat some more chiguru? Asked Noni. Noniಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಂತೆ. No, let's not. It's meant for the deer and we are in their home after all. Creeper grows very slowly and I think we should leave the rest for the pregnant deer. Innen beda. Then can I eat the fruit? Where can I get more of it? Fruits grows on the creeper every alternate year. Alternate year andre ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ. People collect the fruits once they fall to the ground. Then they make a powder and use it. Okay, I think next question will be asked to Lakshmi. Lakshmi, what are you really learning being in the class today? Where your presence of mind has increased by listening to me? Lakshmi?
Hello, ma'am.
How are you being in the class? I think another 10 minutes I'll be wrapping up the class. How are you being in the class? How are you feeling in the class? What did you learn?
It is going on well, ma'am.
Yeah, you are getting into the forest. You are experiencing being in the characters.
Yes, ma'am. It is going on well. You are teaching very well, ma'am.
Oh, don't appreciate me, okay? I don't need
No,
appreciation.
really, ma'am. Really, I'm not appreciating, ma'am. And really, I am telling you, you are a really very good teacher, ma'am.
Oh, I'm really thankful to all of you. So have this enthusiasm till the completion of all the level of the courses.
Yes, ma'am. I will guarantee.
Yeah, even if you need any help after the course also, you can collect my number from Rajesh. Okay?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, Rajesh, if anybody asks a number, okay, who are truly interested, you can share my number.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll give you commission on that also. Okay, here, let's continue here. Fruits grow on this thing. Noni looked at Mahadev with admiration. He was a walking encyclopedia. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇವನು ಮಹಾದೇವ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪೀಡಿಯಾ, ಇವನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಗುರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟು, ಈ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಗೂಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್. Okay, today I'm not feeling good to lead a life. Okay, what are the steps to get energy? Thak YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ 2 ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಜನರ ಜೊತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎನ್ಲೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಗೂಗಲ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಈ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಕ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, do you all want to walk more or do you want to rest for some time? Right? Asked Mahadeva. Let's walk a little further and find a better spot with some shade. Neral iro kade. We must have come this way many times. Mahadeva, can you find a nice place for us to rest? Asked Anand. Yes, there are many paths through the forest, but very few travel this route, he said. There is a soap nut tree ahead with a plenty of shade. Plenty of shade ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೆರಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. Okay, let's go and sit there. What is a soap nut tree? ನೋಡಿ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ತರನೇ, ನಂಗೂ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ soap nut tree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಂಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. She seemed to have an unending list of questions. There is no end to her questions. See, I really like people who are having questions relevant to their development, relevant to the mind, relevant to how, in what way they can increase the presence of mind, in what way they can really get an energy to do something better in this world. That kind of questions are fabulous. Don't question why my neighbor is doing wonderful business. Why my friend had bought a good necklace and I am not. Itara question ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Okay, that's not in your control. Right here. She has got an unending list of questions and tremendous energy. But by then, Amit, Medha and Anand were too tired to reply. Anand said affectionately, it is a local tree called Anantakaya. If you soak the sticky fruits of this tree in warm water, then the water can be used as a mild detergent or a shower gel. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಸೋಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸೋಪ್ ನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಸೋಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತೆ. A lot of women wash their silk fabrics with it because the solution doesn't discolor the garment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿದ್ರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸಾರಿ ಕಲರ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. I think there is lot of information I am giving you and educating myself through this reading here. ಸೋಪ್ ನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀದು ಓಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ 3 ರಿಂದ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಸೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, then you can really make your silk sarees to wash in it, and it gives a nice shine to the silk. Is it like a ಜಿಂಟಲ್? ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಜಿನಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. I don't know what is genital means, but this solution is gentle and it is safe. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿನಿಟಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Less than 10 steps ahead, Noni encountered what looked like a beetle leaf plant. Who planted this? Okay, nobody plants anything in the forest. Okay, beetle leaf ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಪಾನಿನ ಎಲೆಗಳು beetle leaf ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Okay, nobody plants anything in the forest. Sometimes the birds and the wind carry seeds, and other times it is the rain or the water on the ground. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬೀಜಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ತಾವೇ ಓಡ್ ಬಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ವಿಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾವೇ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೇಚರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, last 5 minutes to go. Anybody has got any questions on this, what the explanation I had given today? Anybody has got any questions? We are on 148 page, hardly 50 pages worth. Nanna class. Okay, come up front, anybody, and give the review in English. How are you getting energy by listening to me and by experimenting on your mind? ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡೋಣ. Has anybody got energy to speak now? Or should I have to wrap up the class? Yes? Rajesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Does anybody want to talk to me and give their opinion on the review about how they are feeling here?
No.
Yes, now.
Ma'am, I'm Nandan, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Nandan.
Ma'am, today's class is nice, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. What did you
Have I
select the character? Have you become Noni?
No, ma'am.
So it's a
Mahadeva.
girl. Oh my
Story, ma'am.
God. Okay,
Story
you. No, story is nice, right? I think
Yes, ma'am.
all of you guys should buy this book and read the story.
Yes, ma'am. Today only I said to my father, ma'am, today only online delivery had begun, ma'am.
It has come, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So make a attempt. See, ಬರೀ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತೋಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ma'am.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನೋ
I
ಶಕ್ತಿ
know,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ma'am.
ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Story was nice, ma'am. So only I said to my father, ma'am.
I told
buy
to
this,
my
ma'am.
father. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. And you're feeling nice being in the class then.
Yes, ma'am.
How sure are you to do other rest of the level of the courses at our place? Are you sure
I'll
of doing
continue,
the
ma'am.
rest of the course?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about anybody? Anybody wants to speak? I have yes, exactly 5 minutes I have got. Anybody wants to speak? Nobody? Okay, if that is the case, I think I'm going to wrap up today's class. If you have got any questions, ask. Otherwise, I'm going to post the assignment for everybody. Otherwise, let me tell the assignment here. All of you, okay, have to write five sentences on your own with what I had given. Any sentence related to plant, flower, a bird. You can educate us. ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ಜನ ತೋಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ 5 ಜನ. ನಿಖಿತಾ ಇದಾರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು ನಿನ್ನೆ 5 ಜನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ 5 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಜೇಶ್.
Okay, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ,
ಹಾ.
5 ಜನರು 5 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸು ಗಿಡಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ಗೆ 5 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay, ma'am.
5 ಜನ 5 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್.
Okay.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? I hope it is clear.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Thank you for all of you. And
Thank
send
you,
me
ma'am.
that
Good night, ma'am.
video. Yeah, good night.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rajesh sir, send me the video, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All the videos without.
Thank
Ma'am,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, your YouTube link I want, ma'am. You'll upload, no, ma'am. I wasn't
Uh-huh.
traveling, no, ma'am.
Okay, Rajesh, you
I will
can
send
send
with
the
the
YouTube
link.
link.
I will.
Yeah, please share with them. Okay.
Upload to ma'am.
All of you subscribe to my YouTube link and get a lot of benefits. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.